So here I have a customer's artwork that I generally print on only white. And recently he asked me to try and print it on different colors to make it a bit more psychedelic and just change it up. And today I'm going to give it a try on my UV printer so it can stick onto any color and not using the eco solvent because these are not coated surfaces. The design I've had for pretty much a long time, but today I'm just going to test the very small stickers and large stickers just in case he wants either one of them. And for this design, obviously depending on the color vinyl that we're going to be printing on, the greens, the reds and the yellows are going to come out completely different, but black will generally look the same. Got to make sure that our vinyl stays flat, if not the head will strike it and will destroy the vinyl. Looking at the red and how it's printed, the blacks have come out really nice. The greys and the greens and all the other brighter colors have kind of faded away or turned really dark. Overall, this is a very different kind of print, and I really hope that the rest come out this way because it looks really nice. Looking at our purple, the purple has pretty much all the colors we're looking for, except it's just a little bit too dark. But again, where the black is printed, it looks really nice. Once I put my yellow vinyl in the printer, I noticed that it was not staying flat. And the best way to do this, and a really good tip, is to take it out the printer. I'm going to put it around a roll and heat gun it, and the more heat that you apply to the vinyl, the more it will conform to its new shape. But you want to keep in mind that you need to leave it and let it sit for a little bit longer than normal. I'd say a good hour or so, just so that it can make its new shape. Otherwise, if you take it off the roll and it's still got its same bumps, the head will strike and you just won't have good luck printing on it. So we won't be using the yellow for this video simply because I'd rather just let it sit for a little bit longer, otherwise I'm going to damage my printer. Looking at the print, our greens have changed to a very dark green, and our yellows are non-existent, has turned to orange. Our red is still there and our blacks are looking really nice. The blue as well looking really nice. The greens appear quite well. The red and yellow, however, have turned either really dark or faded away completely. The black looks really nice, the outlines are crisp. Now that we've printed all of our designs onto the different colors, we're going to take it over to our cutter. And one thing you got to keep in mind, that the sensitivity of your laser, if you don't want to change it and battle to get the correct sensitivity so that you can cut your vinyl and contour cut it, you need to put down pieces of white vinyl just so that you can break the color of the vinyl and that black AI that has been printed so that the laser can actually register it. Once I've stuck my white vinyl where all the SAR marks are, I'm going to put it into the cutter and give it a go, and hopefully it works. And look at that, it's picked up its registration marks and off it goes, it's going to cut. After all of the experimentation and printing on our different colored vinyls, they have come out really well, and I hope the customer likes them. The whole point of this exercise with the UV printer is to see what colors we can print on, and as we go we see the colors change and some fade away. But the point being here is that you can print on any color vinyl with the UV printer. Unfortunately not eco-solvent. As I said, it does not have a coating on it for the vinyl for the ink to stick. So the UV printer has definitely given me an edge for my customer on giving him psychedelic different colors, and it's come out really well.
At AM.CO.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Hlobosile Khumalo, a level 6 local guide who has 64 reviews all over the country, says, "The tech support team is on point. I had an issue with my machine. I called them and they said I must bring it in. The person who helped me checked everything and made sure everything was 100%. Kind staff members helped me load my machine in and out of my car." This was just one of the many appreciative reviews we have received. These tags mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your support. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. Level 7 reviewer Dash Somolu, who has 119 reviews on Google, says, "Great company, great products and very well priced items. The training we received from Messias Chunga was top-notch. He was very knowledgeable and knows his stuff." Another satisfied customer amongst many. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.